On January 24, 2025, Ohio State Highway Patrol troopers were patrolling Interstate 70 in Guernsey County, near Cambridge, Ohio, when they stopped a U-Haul truck for a traffic violation. These stops happen every day, but within moments, troopers realized something was off.
How are you? Did you know the people in the van? Do you know the people in the van? Huh? Huh? No Spanish. How do you know the people in the van? How did you, can I open the door? How do you know the people in the van?
What van?
Did you know the people in the van?
No.
Oh, okay. Here. I don't want it to blow away.
No.
Reason I'm stopping you is you were driving over the edge line. Want to make sure you're not texting and driving on your phone or anything.
No.
ID with you?
Of course.
Where are you headed to?
Huh?
Where are you going?
The driver appeared visibly nervous, providing inconsistent answers about his travel plans.
Where are you going?
So PA.
PA?
Yeah.
What do you have?
What?
What are you hauling?
I'm moving.
Oh, you're moving?
Yeah.
Did you rent the van?
Hmm?
Where are you coming from?
To Oklahoma.
Coming from Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have in the back?
Hmm?
What do you have in the back? What's in the back?
I'm moving over there.
Furniture? What do you have?
Furniture.
Okay. Rental agreement?
What's that? I don't speak English.
Who rented this?
Huh?
Who rented this?
My friend.
Your friend? Rental agreement?
Oh, the papers?
Yes, papers,
Oh.
papers, sorry.
Oh. Los papeles del yugo.
Is that marijuana? Marijuana? Okay. How much marijuana do you have with you?
No,
Okay.
I'm not finding the papers, boss.
Okay. Do you care if we look in the back?
Hmm?
Can we look in the back?
Yeah.
You want to come back there with me?
Mm-hmm.
No guns or anything on
No,
you?
hell no.
Okay.
Oh, I don't got the key.
Where is the key? Hey, come here. Come this way. Can you get off the phone for me, please?
Huh?
Can you get off the phone and talk to me, please? Thank you.
The key, I don't have the key.
Where is it?
Hmm?
How are you going to get into it?
I forgot in the house, I think.
Okay, come here real quick. Listen, no firearms?
No.
Okay, put your hands on your head. Spin around. You care if I check real quick?
Of course.
Okay. All right, come back here. Come. 1812. What's your 39?
23.
Okay. No guns on you?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have you have a seat in my car. I gotta go over all your stuff. Okay.
Okay.
We'll go over from there. Okay. Hold on. It's locked. I'm sorry. Have a seat. Did you load the back of the U-Haul? Did you put all the stuff in the U-Haul?
No, my friend.
Your friend? What did he put back there?
He moving.
I thought you said you're moving.
Yeah.
You're moving? You're moving or he's moving?
I don't speak English around.
38
Who put the stuff in the back of the U-Haul?
My friend.
You're coming from Oklahoma?
Mhm.
Where are you going?
To New York.
I thought you said PA.
No, I say PA, I stay PA, I go to New York.
New York City?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No.
Why isn't your license valid?
My license is
It says status is revoked.
when?
I don't know when. I'm just asking you.
I think this month.
Huh? Huh?
I think this month.
This month? Did you not pay a ticket or something?
Yeah.
That's not good. How do you know the people that were in the van?
What people?
The van that was behind you. How do you know them?
I don't know.
You don't know them? Oh, okay. Well, How did you? Who put the lock on there? Who put the lock?
My friend, I forgot the key.
How are you gonna open your stuff to get your stuff when you move?
He goes to fly over there.
Oh, okay. Go admin real quick. Administrative. Is he out of it?
Yeah, he's out.
Driving. Find it. Find it. Good job. I'm gonna grab my grab the lock cutter.
Yeah, he said he doesn't have the key for it.
Dude,
The
reeks.
van's 100% or the van is 100% with him. And then it pulled in front of me and stopped.
Where's he at now?
It kept going, but that's why I want to walk out to there's 3 occupants in it when it went by.
Yep. Thick. That thing is no. The bolt thing is thick.
What's up, Rick?
Yeah, so use one side like that. Get it?
Nope. Barely even cut.
I know, dude. The thing is thick. Does anybody else have a cutter?
I don't know.
I might get my axe out.
Even doing anything?
Listen, man. We're gonna open it. So, do you have the
I
key?
don't have the key for it.
What's in there? What's in there?
Oh,
Huh? What's in the back of this?
I told you I'm moving with my friend over there.
So, what's in there? What's in it? What is in there?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
Based on those observations, troopers requested consent to search the vehicle.
I think it's doing anything. I think I made it worse. It's just bending the crap out of these. What else do we got?
We need a fucking
We need a
grinder
or something.
grinder.
I don't know who to ask. Trying to keep an eye out for that van. Quick.
You had to twist it.
Now you gotta get out of there. There you go.
When the rear door of the U-Haul was opened, the situation changed instantly.
There it is. Weed right here. It's gonna be loaded. Nice work, sir.
Oh shit.
That's gonna be a lot.
1063. Cambridge. I have a 691 Caesar.
Oh shit.
Can you start a record for this U-Haul? And we'll just have it towed back to the post.
Next available driver. They just need to drive it.
Or just next available driver. Is 1048 near the post or no?
I don't know where it's coming from.
Well, the same. If there's anybody there that could drive back.
Yeah.
That's a lot of weed.
Hundreds of pounds.
Yeah. I wonder if these are all.
Inside were rows of large plastic storage bins, each packed with vacuum-sealed packages of marijuana. The cargo filled much of the truck, leaving little doubt that this was not personal use. This was a large-scale trafficking operation. After the load was weighed, authorities confirmed the seizure totaled approximately 700 pounds of marijuana, with an estimated street value of around $3.5 million.
You need like the regular record to be able to handle the U-Haul or more.
Just the driver.
We just need a driver to drive it back to the post. Or 1048. If you're near the post and there's an extra body there that can drive us back.
Yep.
Hey, 40, what's your 39?
On scene.
He's on scene.
Hey, 40.
Turn around.
The driver, a 33-year-old man from the Bronx, New York, was taken into custody at the scene. He now faces felony drug trafficking and possession charges. Investigators believe the marijuana was being transported across state lines, using major highways to avoid detection. This case underscores how routine highway enforcement can dismantle major drug operations with a single stop. For more real police encounters, highway interdictions, and intense body cam stories, subscribe to Operation Bodycam and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next case.